What up, everybody, and welcome to Baz on Blades. My name is Baz, and I talk about blades, and today we are talking about a blade. Shortly, we're going to do an unboxing very quickly, try to keep this one short. Big shout out to White Mountain Knives, Justin at White Mountain Knives. Thank you yet again, brother. We're going to pull out the Twosun, the TS575, correct? Yeah, the TS575, because what we've got here in the box is another Twosun product, and it's another, I think it's going to be the 5th or the 6th for Baz on Blades in their M390 models. Let's see if we can get this box open. Peanuts as always from Justin. Let's get out that Twosun box, set this other box aside. And, hey, there we go. We got the 575 M3 Saturday Special. What is that? Oh, satin. Okay, not Saturday Special. Let's see what we got here. Twosun saving money on the packaging. This is a big old knife. This is a big old knife. Again, this is one of their M390 models. And it's double bagged, and what that tells me is it's double oiled too. I'm not even going to grab a hold of that knife with my hand. I'm going to grab a hold of it with a rag. We're going to rag this thing very quickly here. Rag it very quickly here. Oh my God, let's do this while we're ragging here. Let's get some of this smuts off of here. And see what we see here on this Twosun TS. What I said it was, a 575. All right. Look at this. That is a big, tall, flat grind on that M390 blade. Integral back spacer, meaning that instead of a separate back spacer, you have the handle scales themselves machined to act as the spacer. Integrated linear attachment point. Milled titanium pocket clip with a ball top contact point. The front of this is very clean. Only the pivot showing with that green anodized trim ring there. Satin finish. 3.7 inch blade. 3.7 inches. That's a pretty big knife right there. That's in my large size hand with short, stubby, medium length fingers. You can see. Holy moly, that's a whole lot of knife to get in the frame. I'm going to have to raise the camera up a little bit when we do the review on this. So, Twosun is one of the best deals in a titanium frame lock folder with M390 blade and standard build for 2026 now, which is, you know, the milled titanium ball bearing on your pivot. This one comes with multi-row bearings on the pivot, ceramic, with a ceramic D10 as well. And let's see if we can look down in here. I don't know if you can tell, but the front and back scales are extensively machined. These were big, thick billets of titanium, as thick as that half that you see back here going from the seam to the edge of the scale there. That's how thick that billet was before it was all machined away on the interior using that integral backspacer design. Let's see what we got here. Let's open this thing a few times. Open it a few times. The detent sounds and feels dry. Man, this thing feels really good in the hand. Really good. That's a whole lot of knife. That is a whole lot of knife. I didn't write down all the specs, but that is easily 9 inches overall. I don't think I've got a measuring stick out here. No measuring stick out here, and I don't want to have to unzip my pants, so we're just going to estimate how long it is, and it's about that long. About that long right there. I will have all the specs and everything in the in-depth of this. Like I say, we just wanted to do a real quick unboxing of the TS757. The price on these, $124. After a 10% discount code at White Mountain Knives, you're going to be down at $112 shipped to your door for a titanium frame lock, multi-row bearings, M390. Beautiful, clean design. Look at the front of this. No freaking hardware showing except for that pivot. Let's look at that pocket clip. Look at that. That's crazy. I don't feel like this pocket clip is the same design language as the knife, as we have just completely flat, you know, scales with no surface texture and machining on them. And then we've got, you know, heavily tiered machining on this. That's a pretty decent tiering right there. I think that this corner of it matches, you know, the corner lines of the knife, but this swoopy and then the tiering, I mean, it doesn't look bad, don't get me wrong. I'm just saying it just sort of stands out. Maybe that's what they were going for. Maybe that's what they were going for. This isn't bad at all. This is not bad at all. Not bad at all. Kind of artsy-fartsy is what Baz on Blades is seeing here. So there's our lockup out of the box. Oh yeah, definitely going to need some Earl on that detent. Well, I mean, that's completely straight down the center. As you can see at 100%, the tip lines up with that back seam there. It's pretty, that's pretty deep. And what do I have out here on the table that'd be kind of a standard in the closed position? Let's see what a Vosteed Raccoon looks like. I mean, that's a lot bigger knife than a Vosteed Raccoon, that's for sure. That is for sure. What do we got here? Oh, I grabbed another Concept Preta 2, which you all know means buttery croissant. So it's that much bigger than a Preta 2. And Preta 2 is about the same size, maybe slightly smaller than a Paramilitary 2. Yeah, plenty of detent on that thing. It's nice and crisp, and that's a lot of blade. Crown blade spine. Look at your jimping. Just divots. Ball mill divots down in it. That's pretty cool. I think it's got a lot going for it as far as design goes. That's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. I may pull that trim ring off and re-anodize that myself. I don't know. Maybe I would like to have that purple instead, because I have been in a mood for purple lately. Oh my goodness, I got multiple purple knives here. And I think that would look really good. I like that. I like that. Okay, well, there's an unboxing of the Twosun TS575. This is another one of their M390 models. I think the 6th or 7th one in my collection now. I've pretty much just relegated myself as far as Twosun goes to their M390 and YJ01V1 knives, which YJ01V1 is a spray form basically of M390, predating M390 and standard modern powder metallurgy steel tops. Yep, there you go. Going to carry it a couple of weeks, and I will let all of you know how the TS757 stacks up. I expect it to be a stellar performer and very slicey. There you go. As always, thank you very much for taking the time to watch one of my videos. God bless all of you, and we will talk to you again.